Hello everybody. Today I would like to say something about your worst feeling. When you like somebody and you see say that person dey go sick or something dey go wrong with that person, you no go dey happy. That thing go dey disturb you. That thing go dey make you dey uncomfortable. You no go ever dey happy with that feelings wey you get inside you. Like this man, im mother na be the he say im mother na im best friend, na everything to am wey im like. Anything wey im mother tell am, because im mother only im mother na im bring am up after the separation from im father. Say im dey very young when im father leave im mother, so na im with im mother. So im mother try everything possible to make am dey the position wey im dey today. And at the end, e come feel say something dey go wrong with im mother. That thing na the bad or the worst feeling wey im get, wey im no fit recover from that shock. So this very boy, the mother sell everything wey she get. She sell am to take bring up im son up, to take make im son go or dey the position wey im son, wey she want and wey im son want to be. So at the end of the thing, this im mother come start to dey sick. The mother just first sick one day. So this boy try everything to make the mother, to bring up im mother back to the woman wey im know as im best friend, but im no fit. Come, he lost im mother. So from that day, this boy no come dey okay, no come dey happy, nothing dey please this boy. The boy come just be like say e dey alone, say for this wide world now, him dey alone just like e dey desert. Na so the boy come feel. Na so e take im life to be. Boy wey dey happy, dey cheer up, dey very strong, but the boy come be like baby. So as help come from this boy, one of im old friends come see this boy, come tell am say, look, not the best thing. See now, you dey go out of everybody. That means you dey run from everybody. You no want anybody. You no want make anybody come close to you. Say this thing no dey good. This thing na one feeling wey himself get. Say just because you lost your mother, him know say your mother na everything to you. Your mother na one of the best friends wey you get, wey be say you trust, but now you lost am. But because of that one, you no wan help yourself. He said this thing no go lead you to anywhere. So, like for instance, now you see somebody like this, just like as this boy dey the position where this boy dey. The first thing wey you go do, maybe as doctor, or before they call doctor for anything, maybe somebody you see as say just wound or get it, they will give the person first aid. First, before the boy go, there is this first aid assistant before you fit rush the person to hospital. So na so this boy do to him best friend when he see am for this position. Say no, this one no be boy wey him know. This one no be boy wey dey very active. He say now the boy he no even wan talk with anybody. Every time he dey always dey inside house, he go dey look somebody like say he no see the person, just like somebody wey dey lost. Say na so this boy come be. So the only thing to do, the treatment to give this boy, just like as I said, say the first aid, you go just give the person when you see am say he wound or something. So now he do this kind of position wey you see am, not to just to tell the boy, to give and draw the boy very close, let the boy forget him bad memories, let the boy forget him past. They bring present to the boy, they give the boy something wey the boy go dey take him hand dey do or they touch. That thing go dey be like say they make the boy dey active again. The boy go be like say the boy dey walk towards something, so that the boy go dey forget the bad feelings when he get or the worst feelings. the person he go dey forget all these things. So na so good to dey tell somebody or to dey teach somebody when you know say the person lost, don lost. Not say he lost for say for this thing. The person lost for brain. E no dey okay again because the way e dey behave, e no dey behave well again just because he lost him best friend or him best everything to am. He lost the whole world. So this time you go dey teach the person to bring the person back home again. They tell am something good, they tell am sweet things, they later they know say yes, make e be who e be. Just dey teach the person, they correct am, they tell am what. They always, every time they make something good, they make am smile. So that thing go wake the person up for again, just like say e dey sleep. So na so the thing go be like say you don wake the person or the man or whoever, you don wake am up again. Many people dey like that. Many people dey like that. When they get shock. So that shock now go break them down. So some people go read other things and say, this person don have depression, the whole am, or he don get mental problem, or he don get this. Many people dey use that word just because of the shock. That shock, before the person go fit recover from that shock, e go hard. So the only thing before they carry go meet specialist or carry go hospital or carry go meet doctor wey go test am, or before e go this treatment or go that one, give that person first aid. Many people dey wey no get money, wey no fit go hospital. Many people dey wey no dey that class, don dey low class for economic something, wey no fit go say e no get that money to take go hospital, e no get that money to come see doctor, e no get money to see specialist. So instead e go just, you know, that kind of thing. So when you see that kind of person dey that position and you know say in economic, na low class economic e get, so before you carry am go see specialist, before you carry am go, give the person that first aid. Help the person with wetin you know say you go fit do for am. The help wey you know say you go fit give am, make e comot for that shock wey e get, or that worst feelings, bad feelings wey the person get. So bring the person up again. Try to dey tell am something good. Try to dey make am smile. Try to dey let am see things. Try to dey let am dey use the hand dey do something with im fingers, everything. When the fingers dey work, the hands dey work, the brain go dey work again. That means e go dey forget im bad memories, im bad feelings. E go dey forget am. This time e go dey wake up again. E go dey, before this one na the first aid na you suppose to give am, and that one na the best thing for am before e go see doctor. If you no get that money to see doctor, see specialist, because some like countries now, they go say no, without you not get this money or this amount, you no fit see doctor. So that kind of thing, if you dey that position where be say you no get that money to see doctor, or you dey that country, so the first thing you go do, help this person with this first aid wey you get. Help am to forget im bad feelings. Help am to bring up him, make e dey back as e be before. Make e dey happy again. With that, the person go wake up again from his shock when he gets. Because not everybody dey born with silver spoon. Not everybody. So if you see say you dey that position, or you see somebody wey you like and you dey that position, shock position, try to give that person that first aid assistance to help am out, to make am forget im bad memories. Make e dey happy. They give am good word. They tell am sweet things. They let am take im hand do something, to make im hand dey work with something. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me like and share my video. Have a wonderful day and God bless. Thank you all.